Hey, welcome to 100
Summers. And if you haven't seen our first video, we were making a dogman costume for me. So today we are going to do a similar thing, but with a dogman plushie. Woo!
These are the materials you need. You need some striped fabric. You need some scissors, pins, and needle, and thread. And in the link below, I've created a couple of templates, the body and then a link to the hat. Turn your fabric to the not printed side. The blue lines are for cutting, so we're pinning the paper
onto the fabric.
And this is so the fabric doesn't move as you're tracing it. And you're going to trace it and then cut it. And this is going to be a very rough outfit. There's going to be no hemming. It's just a rough, quick, easy outfit.
Well, not too easy.
Not too easy?
Not for me.
We're not using a sewing machine. We're just going to hand sew this.
And also you might need an adult to help with this because the needle and thread sewing stuff, you can poke yourself and...
Yeah, so you're going to trace along there.
And it's way easier with a pen.
Yeah, pencil doesn't work very well. It's good to hold down the paper while you're tracing. Kyla's drawing on the paper. She sees paper and has to draw on the paper. You can guess what she's drawing.
But you have to guess upside down. Can you guess? Write down in the comments down below. What do you think it was? Now you just gotta take out the pins. And we gotta do this twice.
Right. Can I help you pin? Make it go quicker?
Now we gotta fast forward and do this faster and trace again. Is it okay if it's a little bit off?
Yeah. Pull pins out. All right, are you gonna cut or I'm gonna cut?
You cut.
So now I've
Help!
got two sides, and
I want to sew.
we're going to pin
Needle.
with the printed side inward. So we're going to line them up, pin them together,
Okay, so
and they're not going to be perfect, right?
put them together.
Some parts are overlapping, but that's okay. I'm lining them up as much as possible. If I was a super expert, I'd make a better template, but I did what I did. So there might be people who are way better at this than me. So you can cut it better, you can hem it.
You can even sew it.
With the machine. Okay, on the template, the yellow lines are to give you an idea of where the sewing would happen. So you actually are going to be sewing on here, and what I did for Kylie is I drew it myself so she would know where to sew. See how
Man.
no, just for the writing. You're going to do the sewing.
Oh.
That's about 1/4 of an inch from the edge. Make
Wait a
it
minute,
easy.
I just thought of an idea.
Yeah, what's your idea?
If you actually pressed like so hard with this and with this plate on top that it went through. Can I try?
You'd have to break the paper to make it go
It's okay.
Oh, I just thought of an idea, kind of like your idea,
Hey,
is make dots. Let's see. Push through, see if a dot comes through.
Nope.
No. I'm sure there's a way to do this. A better system, but we're just coming up with our own. So I'm just going to draw some lines for where Kylie will be stitching. I want to make sure she has enough room for stitching there, so I'm going to go a little farther in.
It's not after dinner time. Me and my mom usually have a sweet after lunchtime.
Now we'll do it after video time.
Ah, man, I want to do it in the middle of video time.
Only if you can share with them.
Okay.
How can you share? What are you gonna eat?
One of those little candies that are on my play table.
Okay, go get the candy.
Yay.
Okay, so I've drawn the places where Kylie will be going.
This candy is for you. Here's a bite.
Let us know in the comments below what you think of that candy. How does it taste? How much sugar do you eat? Do you eat sugar every day, or just after dinner, or just after lunch, or once a week? I'm curious. So I have a feeling Kylie eats way too much sugar. All right, you are ready to stitch. So you don't have a line on the other side, so you want to come back up where that line is.
Is it okay if I'm off the line?
Yeah, just try your best. It's okay. It's gonna be rough. It's not perfect. It's just something for him to wear.
Hey Mama, can you trace the hat?
Sure, I'll do that while you sew. Perfect. Great.
We both have something to do. Yay!
I love working with stripes because you have straight lines to work.
Can you tell the viewers about going like?
So when I was a teenager, I was sewing and I was pulling a needle through, and I had such thick fabric, it was so hard to push it through. And I went like this, and I stabbed my eye with a needle. I pulled it out really quickly. Luckily, there was no damage. I was totally fine, but it might be smart to not be staring right at the needle if you're trying to pull it out. Just keep your eye away. I can actually use that stripe right there. I think I'm going to do that. Just take that out. Follow my stripe.
You can have this piece. Hush, they actually ate it. Look.
Did you eat that? Was it yummy? Dad, Brent, calls these granny candies because this is the kind of candies his granny used to have in a bowl.
Every Christmas.
I think I'm gonna eat one too. Close my eyes. Green.
You got the same thing as me except for the green.
Yeah, I like to do it like this, a whole bunch at a time.
What does that taste like?
Like a wine.
Uh-oh. No candies here.
She thought her dad was coming up the stairs. Nope.
Yes, yes.
He went out for a run. And it's his candies. But he would let you eat them.
Boy, these granny candies are good. No wonder Dad picked these out.
Thanks, Granny. All right.
My dad would totally freak out if he saw this video. He would just remember his granny candies.
You want to do this?
Mm-hmm.
Up and down, up and down. Look, you can do a bunch at a time. And then pull that through. Okay, let me do my little hat part here. Tracing the circle.
I just can't get my needle through.
Uh-oh, don't put your eye on it.
Can you do that part? Because I don't want to get a needle in my eye.
All right, I am done cutting out my pieces. I'm gonna stitch this part together. We need to always sew inside out. So the seams, it just looks a lot better. If you make a mistake, it's okay. But
if you want to do it, you're willing to do it wrong, and Just keep practicing.
Watch out, dog man. Don't want to pin your head. Now I'm taking it off. So now I can see where I need to sew. So about a 1/4 inch in. I'm going to sew right there. I'm going to draw a line so I can see better. Kind of near.
We're going on a trip in our favorite potato chip. That was one of those.
Oh, that stunk. Ah.
If you guys can smell that, comment down below.
Oh, man. God. So now this is going to attach. Can I explain what I just did? Okay. Oh my God. Can you go to the bathroom?
You might want to turn down the smell on your remote.
Oh, I think some parents are going to click unsubscribe. All right.
There's no such thing as that.
Yeah, they can. I think you can.
I don't think so.
Please subscribe. Please support us in our stinky air. All right, so I'm making the hat.
Can
I explain what I just
put it
did?
on him?
It's got pins all over it.
Okay.
So
Are you gonna take the pins out?
after I sew, so I attached just a little bit. I did 4 pins. And just a little bit to the edges. I suggest a parent or an adult help with this. That's a bit hard.
Since I was farting so much, there's even a butt in this book. A butt.
I hope you're okay with the fart jokes. We have a lot of fart jokes at our house, but I know some people don't like that. This is all done. So pull out all the pins. So then you want to turn this inside out?
Oh yeah, wait. Turn this inside out.
Okay, here's my hat. Ready?
I want to. Can I do it?
Mm-hmm.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
How did it come out? Yay!
There's just this one little hole.
Oh, it's okay. Hold him down. Hold him down.
I am.
Hold him down. Hold him down.
Let me go. Let me go.
There we go.
What was that? What is that?
That's your jail hat.
Huh?
Now you got to put on your jail suit.
No!
Put on your jail suit.
Let me go.
Okay.
Let me go.
1 foot in. Right foot.
I'll pull his legs out.
Okay. I don't want to go. I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to go.
Do you know what? Instead of going to dog jail, I'm going to bring you to a better place where you like to chase things.
So here's where
I'm going to take you to cat jail.
Cat jail. That's fun.
You know how
I'm just going to explain something, okay? So instead of stitching up here, because then you have trouble getting it over his head,
we are going to pin it.
Pin it. No, that's not with that. This kind of pin, a safety pin. So then this is like how you get it on and off of him. I'm sure if you had a sewing machine and you had a parent that was better at sewing, you could make a better one. But this is a really simple one that I think might be easy for kids to do. Kylie wants to give you a little bonus reading.
Hey, Papa, do you want to hear another joke?
No, I don't.
Oh, come on.
You said you were going to help me.
I am.
Making up jokes is not helpful.
This one isn't made up. It's from a TV show.
No.
Okay, what do you call a worm from King Arthur's court?
A night crawler?
No.
Sir Squirms a lot?
Nope.
Okay, I give up. What do you call him?
Diarrhea.
All right. Well, thanks for learning about farts and diarrhea and learning how to make a little dog man costume. Thanks for watching
The potty humor video. Ouch.